Welcome to our video on how to submit a project for the Genius Olympiad in the art discipline. First, visit the Genius Olympiad website and click on Apply Now under the Application Processing section. Then, log in with the account you created earlier. After logging into the portal, navigate to the Project section and click on Add New. Here, fill in the project, school, and teacher information. If you have a media link on YouTube, you can enter it here, but in the art category. This section is optional, so you can proceed to the next page without filling in a link. Next, find your required art project file on your computer and upload it. Once the upload is complete, you can move on to the next page. Now you'll need to enter student information. If the project belongs to a previously added student, you can automatically retrieve their information by selecting the student under Select Student. If the student working on the project hasn't been entered into the system before, you can add their details in the Add New Student section and click Save. You have now added the relevant student information. This section is only for certified winners from Genius-affiliated fairs. Simply select the relevant fair from the list and send a request. Click Next, and then Complete to finalize your application. Your project is now saved under the Projects section. If you believe there's an error, you can edit your information or delete the project and start again. You can check the checklist here or view it by clicking on Home. If your application status shows as incomplete, it may be due to an unfinished payment. Click on Payment in the left sidebar. Select the relevant projects and proceed to checkout. Fill in your bank details correctly, and once the payment is processed, you will have completed your application. For any questions, feel free to reach us at info@geniusolympiad.org or call us at +1 3 15 422 2902.